Welcome back to 77 Motors. What if Toyota built a vehicle so extreme, so absolutely massive, that it makes military tanks look like toys? Ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes on the 2026 Toyota Thunderbone 12x12, a machine with 12 wheels that redefines what's possible when engineering meets pure insanity. This isn't just a vehicle. This is a rolling fortress designed to conquer the most impossible terrain on Earth. This absolute monster dominates with its military-grade matte gray armor-plated body that looks like it was designed to survive the apocalypse and everything nature can throw at it. The aggressive front fascia proudly displays massive Toyota lettering across the grille in bold white letters that announce this beast's heritage, while Thunderbone badges on the bumper declare this machine's name with absolute authority. Multiple LED light bars and auxiliary spotlights mounted strategically across the front bumper, fenders, and hood provide stadium-level illumination that turns the darkest night into bright daylight, ensuring nothing escapes your vision. The exposed winch with bright red recovery hooks sits prominently, ready to pull this beast or anything else out of any situation imaginable, capable of handling tens of thousands of pounds of pulling force. The roof rack system is absolutely insane, spanning the entire length of this fortress and loaded with tactical gear including reinforced storage containers, backup fuel cans for extended missions, advanced communication equipment, and protective dome structures housing additional systems. Massive LED light bars run the full length of the roof, providing complete 360-degree lighting coverage that illuminates everything around this vehicle. The side profile reveals the truly staggering scale of this machine with 12 massive wheels, wrapped in aggressive military-grade, all-terrain tires with bronze-trimmed beadlock rims that prevent tire separation during extreme off-road use. The modular body features heavily reinforced steel panels, multiple access doors and hatches for equipment storage, integrated ventilation systems maintaining air circulation, and countless storage compartments running the entire length, providing space for gear, supplies, and equipment needed for extended expeditions into remote locations. Inside, the cabin balances tactical functionality with surprising comfort that you wouldn't expect from such an extreme machine. The front seats feature durable black leather upholstery with white contrast stitching designed to withstand harsh conditions, while the dashboard showcases Toyota's rugged design philosophy with a mix of analog gauges and modern digital displays, providing all necessary information. Pricing exceeds $1 million for this custom-built tactical expedition vehicle. Thanks for watching 77 Motors. Subscribe for more extreme machines that push engineering boundaries.